Hi, I'm Claire from Picniq and I'm about to experience up at the O2. I'm going to climb the roof of this iconic building. It's awesome up here, the views are amazing. I'm here on the roof of the O2 enjoying the amazing scenery. Just walked up, it's sunset, the sun's going down, it's absolutely beautiful up here. The O2 is held up by 12 pillars, one for every month of the year. It's 365 metres round, a metre for every day of the year, and this platform is 52 metres in the air, which is 1 metre for every week of the year.